Here's 4. These are the B elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. Here we are at 10. And here are all the elevators. Now we're gonna go down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. It's a pretty big cab, and it has a 6,500 pound capacity. Here we are at 5. Someone's getting on. Six. Here's another one. Here's your cab view. We'll watch the indicator on the way down. That is if no one calls it. Although actually, wait, on second thought, I've got an idea.